In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the drive belt on this Honda Pilot. This is going to be located on the front of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Pull the wheel off. Now using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these bolts out. Oh, that one's stripped out. Oh, that one did too. Broke off. Further back, there's a screw. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and take those out. And same on the other side. There's a couple of push pins. Just use a trim tool. Pop those out. Take those out and grab the shield, slide it down. You want to take this panel off, take some of these push pins out, just use a trim tool, pop that one off. Over here, underneath the bumper, pop that one off. That should be loose. Yep, that's loose. Take these screws out, use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those out. Underneath here, there's a couple push pins. We'll just use the trim tool, pop these out. Just pop the center part out first, and the rest comes. That's loose. Take these push pins out, just use the trim tool. Out. Oops. And just grab the inner fender well. Pull it back, fold it behind the rotor, and that should be enough. If you want to, you can remove the rest of the push pins for the inner fender well and take it off completely, but you don't have to. We're going to take the serpentine belt off, use a 17mm socket, put it on the tensioner, loosen up the tensioner, and we'll slide the belt off. And release the tension. Pull the belt off, out of the way. Take it off the alternator and off the AC compressor. Now take the belt, go over the alternator, come down around the AC compressor, on the back side of the tensioner, and around the crank a little bit, hold it there. All right. Just using my 17mm socket. Take the tension off the tensioner. And slide the belt around the crank. Almost there. There we go. Just make sure it's around all the pulleys. Yeah, that looks good. I'm going to take that inner fender well, get this lined back up, just push it in place. Gonna go in between right there. Okay, I'm gonna take the push pins, get those started, re-secure those down. Lock those in place. Lock them down. All right. I'm going to put these screws in and tighten these down. Snug that up. I'll put the push pins underneath here. Lock those down. There we go. And underneath. Now take the front shield, get this lined up. And put the screws in, get these started. And get these bolts in, get these all started. And snug these down. And put the push pins in, lock those down. And put the screws in here. Snug that down. There should be another one right there. Snug those down. And a couple more push pins in the middle here and secure them down. Now put the wheel on. Get that lined up. Get the lug nuts started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque this to 94 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. That's good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.